So we're at another house, the third house, and Steve got to come this time. So, and all the boys, but they're in the back. So we get to look at one together and see, I don't know, this one has like good potential. The numbers might work. So we're gonna go check it out. Let's take a look.
I don't know anything about nothing.
We'll see. But you liked it?
Oh, I did. I liked it a lot. I saw a lot of the potential because it looks old like us.
I mean, it looks old and outdated, but not like in a really bad way. So I think it'd be a really good like first flip.
It's like from moving from last gen
wet.
to this gen kind of is really what it is.
Yeah.
What is that, early 2000s?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going from early 2000s to the into
Just
the
some
2020s.
dirty things. Like, I don't think anything major is going on. Like, maybe roof.
Hail damage potential is there. We had a little bit of hail here and there. AC
maybe
issues.
Roof, maybe AC. But
Roof and AC issues, which is a common thing here in Texas anyways, with how hot it gets here, that people are turning it on all the time. It's always running, and so ACs just burn out faster here. Every summer, someone's like, my AC went out. Whoops. It's been 5 years. 6
but
years.
I'm excited about it. I think it has potential.
We'll see.
Okay, it's like 10 o'clock at night, and we just found out that our offer was accepted on the house. Yay!
I just came back from pickleball.
So we're gonna be doing a flip house. You can come along on the journey. We're celebrating with champagne,
A tiny little bottle. We're not
little
sponsored.
sparkling wine, and tiramisu, obviously.
Obviously.
Yay! We're doing it.
We're doing it.
It's inspection day. I'm headed to the house. Well, I'm gonna get coffee and then headed to the house with my realtor to just like chat with the inspector, make sure everything's good. While I'm there, I'm gonna get some measurements of like the vanities, bathroom, kitchen, all that stuff, so that I can start planning, because our tentative closing date is just 3 weeks away and I literally cannot believe it.